Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Collage Weekly Planner video. Okay, let's just get you set up here. Okay, I hope y'all are doing well. If you're new here, welcome. I am using Margarete Miller's Collage Weekly Planner for 2021. I will leave the links below. And we're working on week 5 today. Okay, so let's just get down to business, shall we? Okay, so a business card, a sticker, a security envelope design, text other than English or your native language, a place, and textured paper is the bonus. Okay, so let's see what I have here, all right? Okay, let's just see. All right, I have a sticker I think I want to use, which is this one right here. I do not have a business card, so I have the sticker. Here is my security envelope. Text other than English. Okay, so I do have, I think this is Thai. I have Thai, and I do have Cyrillic, okay, I think that's what that is. It's Russian. And then I'm going to, a place, which is this right here, on a boat. Doesn't she look lovely? And textured paper, because you know I can't do anything without some color added, right? So there's my stuff. Let's get started, shall we? Okay. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is let's see if we can open this security envelope without it going too awry, okay? I have got an entire file of these things, and they're super fun to use in so many different ways, okay? So many different ways. All right, so we're gonna open it up. And should we use the windows or not use the windows? I'm not entirely sure. I think not, okay? So I think what I'm gonna do is I oftentimes really do enjoy tearing these things. Just tearing them in general. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do this rather quickly because my husband's out right at the moment. He's at the pharmacy. So, yeah, so I wanna do this rather quickly. My pups aren't feeling well and they're out on the patio, so I don't wanna leave them too long. All right. So I wanted to kind of tear that off a little bit. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna use this, I think. All right, we're just gonna layer, I think, is what we're gonna do. So let's just get this down rather quickly. And I oftentimes say that for this project, for this year, for me, and I say it every time I think I do one of these videos, is I'm using this book not as a planner. I'm using it as a YouTube tracker because that's just what works for me, and that's really what I needed. So, and I'm also not putting a whole lot of brain power into these. I like the idea of just coming in here and doing things rather quickly, okay, rather quickly. And not spending a whole heap of time on it, okay? So we're gonna take this, and like I said, I do believe it's Cyrillic, and we're gonna tear this, just this strip right here, like this little column here. Oh gosh, that's not straight, is it? Huh. All right, well, whatever. All right, we're gonna do the best we can. All right, so I'm gonna tear that, and I think I'm just gonna put it right there like that. I love that black and white on black and white, you know? And I know I'm not gonna need the whole strip, so I will glue it up and then I will cut it off, you know, later. So, okay. I've got my door open just in case my puppers need me. Okay, so that looks relatively straight. Okay, so there's that. All right, and then we need this, which I love this, okay? And guess what? No. I was gonna say, guess what? I think I'm just gonna use the whole thing, but I'm not, okay? Because let me see, I might wanna put this right up here because I don't know if you'll be able to see it down there. All right, that, for some reason, that doesn't look all too even, but anyway. All right, again with the tearing, let's see here. Yeah, we're just gonna tear this like this to add a bit of color. So we can put this right here, I think. And then this is gonna go right here. No, I don't like that. Maybe we'll do this and then have this right here. And let me see where our sticker can go. Nope. Okay, I'm changing what I'm gonna do. All right. Okay, so we're going to glue this down. Oh, this is the textured paper, and I did receive this in Happy Mail, and I have been wanting to use it for so long, and this is the perfect application. Okay, so we're going to put this right here. Hopefully that's straight. I don't even know. All right, I'm gonna put that there, and you know what? Okay. Sorry if I'm shaking you about. Because there's so much black on here, I'm gonna use my Dymo tape thing, and I'm going to write, or, well, punch, whatever, however you wanna call it, freedom. So, E, E, D, O, M. Okay. And then we're gonna roll it out and chop it off. I love that. Okay, this is what I'm gonna use for my stickers. So we're gonna put her right there, okay? Loving it. And she looks like she's experiencing freedom. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna get her all glued up. I've been wanting to use this one for a long time. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna maybe line it up with these things here. Get out of there, wrinkles. I got enough wrinkles without having them on my papers, okay? And then we're gonna take this freedom with my gluey hands. All right, and you just, oh, now I have gluey hands. Okay. Get off me. All right, where's this? Okay, so we're gonna take, no, we're just gonna use Aleene's Tacky Glue. Okay. Oh, I have that little bit. That needs to come off. Get off, get off, get off, get off. Okay. And I think, yep, we're gonna put that right there. Freedom, okay? Oh, I'm liking this a lot. There's last week's that you guys saw. So we're just gonna cut these little ends off. Let me see. Okay, and then we'll go back through and let us just take our trusty pen here. Let's make sure I have you guys in frame. Yes, I do. Oh, I like that a lot. Super simple. Oh my goodness, and so quick. Yes. Yes, okay, business card. I did not use the business card. Oops, okay, let's use this pen instead. So I did not use a business card, but there's my sticker, freedom, security envelope design, yes. Other language, yes. A place, that's what I use this for, okay? This is my place, yes, on the water. And then textured paper. Holy cannoli, yeah. All right, I like that one a lot, okay? Yeah. With my little bit of color added in because that's my thing. Yeah, this was really short and sweet. I loved it. Okay, so if you missed this past week's videos, okay, go back and take a gander because I did a Throwback Thursday yesterday. Actually, it came out, and excuse me, it was a quick journal flip of the entirety of my 2020 journaling books. Okay, all 6 of them. So that was super fun to film, and I really hope you enjoy that one. And then I also did a glue book in my Big Bad Beauty book. And so that was super fun to do. And I did a journal with me. And of course, my ramble session at the beginning of the week. So yes, I will write my notes about this short and sweet. Okay, that's what I'm going to write. Short and sweet. Yes, loved it. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I really liked it. I love the way it came out. This quite possibly is my favorite one yet. So yeah, I think next week starts February. So maybe I might do a flip through of the first month maybe of this book. I don't know. We'll have to see. Leave a comment below if you'd like to just see just a quick flip of you know, the ones that I have done. So I don't know. If you're interested, leave a comment, or just leave a comment saying hello. I'll take them all. I will take them all. So yes, thank you again for sharing your time with me. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a great day, a wonderful rest of your week, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.